Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a frame in your Figma. It's quite simple and easy. Before that, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. Let's get right into the video. So after you open Figma, you're here. I already have a frame here. But how are you going to make a new frame? So you want to make a new frame and add whatever you want, edit whatever you want. So to add a frame, you're going to see this bar down here. And by the way, this is of December 2024. If this layout changed, make sure you comment so I make another video later. So you're going to see this layout here. You're going to see this part. You can understand what this is, right? So this is frame. You can, by the way, press F for frame. Or you can just go and, just select it here. It's called frame. Once you're here, you can either drag it this way. So this is going to be a frame. If not, if you want the frame in the exact pixels, what you're going to do is, on your right, you're going to have so many different layouts. This is a phone layout. Android, iPhone. This is a tablet. And this is, the presentation. This is the desktop. So I'll go to the presentation, for example. This is the most used one, 1920 to 1080. Just press on it. Officially, the frame is being added here. That's it. 1920 to 1080. Do whatever you want in this. Design a thumbnail or whatever. That's simple. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe.